Hi, I'm Dave Hammond with Hamann Carpentry LLC. We're a small home repair and remodeling company based in Hollis, New Hampshire. We were hired to build a front porch to improve the curb appeal and showcase the potential this home was hiding. This short video displays how this project came together. The footing locations are laid out for DigSafe to inspect for utilities that might be in the way. Then we worked with the local landscape company to dig for the footings. The sonotubes were set and ready for inspection. After the footings were inspected, we went ahead and mixed the concrete. The concrete is cured, so it's time to start the framing. The siding was removed and the deck portion of the frame is underway. Then the pressure-treated deck boards were installed. Posts were set to support the roof structure. The ceiling joists are installed along with the ledger board. We installed the rafters along with the roof deck. On this project, we used a maintenance-free and rot-resistant PVC board for our exterior trim. PVC is maintenance-free, it will never rot, and it looks great. The roof then gets a rubber membrane and finished with 3-tab asphalt shingles to match the existing house. We left a few deck boards loose for the inspector to inspect the ledger board of the deck. We completed the trim and tied in the existing vinyl siding, which lines up with the main house. PVC trim was wrapped around all supporting posts, box joists, and the stair risers, finished off with a composite lattice. A composite railing is also installed. Shutters were installed to add the last finishing touch for this project. Thank you for following along with this video. We invite you to give us a call for your next home repair or remodeling project. And remember, we guarantee a positive home project experience. Take care.